Let me ask you something. How many times have you missed a booking just because you didn't reply on time? Late reply is equals to lost customer. And now imagine this. A guest message you at 12 p.m. and within 2 seconds they get complete reply about room options, pricing, amenities, location and everything. And you don't even touch your phone. Sounds crazy? So this is exactly what I built by using an automation tool named as Pabbly Chatflow. In this special video, I'll show you how to get more bookings without spending on ads, how to reply to every guest instantly using AI, and how to automate your hotel inquiries on WhatsApp. So make sure you watch this video till the end. So what I have done is I created a complete AI booking assistant specially designed for hotel business by using Pabbly Chatflow. This AI assistant can answer guest queries, shows available rooms, shares pricing, and even do follow-ups automatically. So basically, it works like a 24/7 front desk receptionist. Now let's see how it works. Whenever guests send a message as hi or anything else, instantly AI assistant is replied like a realistic agent that hello, if you have any queries or need assistance, feel free to let me know. So I am sending a message as do you have rooms available this weekend? AI assistant replies instantly that I can help with that. Could you please provide me with your check-in and check-out dates as well as the number of guests? So I am sending a check-in and check-out date as 23 April to 25 April and number of guests as 3. Then it replies to me by mentioning the exact same date and the guest count that I have sent it, including the details about the available room. Let's say I want to do the booking, so I am sending a message as book now. Then it asks me for my details such as my full name, phone number and the ID proof. So I am sending all the test details, that is the full name as a test user, one test contact number and one ID number too. After that I received the message that includes my name as a test user that I have shared here, and it is asking me to do the payments. So I am giving the reply of this message as I will do the payment at the hotel, and you will see I have received the customized confirmation message from the assistant that perfect, your booking is confirmed. Here are the details, that is room type as family suite, check-in date, check-out date and the total pricing too. So yes, this is the same AI assistant we are going to build today. Here I am designing this AI assistant specially for hotels booking, but whether you're in a real estate service based or any other business, you can customize the same AI assistant for that too. The logic will be the same. Now without wasting any time, let's start building this AI assistant step by step. At first, open a new tab and search pabbly.com/chatflow, and then you will come on the official page of Pabbly Chatflow. Pabbly Chatflow is an all-in-one WhatsApp automation tool that helps you to automate WhatsApp messages and responses 24/7 for your different type of businesses. If you are new to Pabbly, then you will click on sign up free option and get 100 free credits every month to explore the software. If you are an existing user just like me, then click on the sign in option. But before doing the sign in process, I have something extremely valuable for you. If you also want to create this type of automated WhatsApp assistant for your own business, then go and purchase Pabbly tool by using my coupon code MEHYT and get an exclusive discount on both yearly and lifetime Pabbly plans. You have worked hard to build your business. Now let Pabbly handle repetitive works for you so you can focus on the real growth instead of manual tasks. Trust me, this is the best and the safest tool I have ever used. Here, after doing the sign-in process, you will see all Pabbly apps where you have to go in this Pabbly Chatflow by clicking on this Access Now button, and it will take you to the dashboard of Pabbly Chatflow. Here you can add and manage all of your WhatsApp number in one place. If you also want to add your WhatsApp number inside your Pabbly Chatflow account, then we have already created a separate video for it. Check the description below for the video link. And on the left hand side, you will see the multiple features of Pabbly Chatflow. These all are the amazing features. If you want to learn more about all of these features, then we have already created a separate video for it. I have shared the link of the video in the description below. You can check it out. As we are creating an AI assistant, so I am directly going in this AI assistant feature. So see, this is the page where you can create multiple types of WhatsApp AI assistant for your different type of businesses. Here you can train your AI assistant with knowledge base to answer common questions. In few minutes, you will understand how you can create an AI assistant and what is knowledge base. Just watch this video till the end. As we are creating a new AI assistant, so I will click on this plus add AI assistant button. That will ask me to give the name to the AI assistant that I am entering as get more bookings without ads using WhatsApp AI hotel owners must watch. After that, I will click on this plus add AI assistant button. See, our AI assistant is created successfully. Now this right here is the starting point of creating your AI assistant, where at first you have to select the instructions type. Once you click on it, it will provide you multiple types of instructions. I am selecting the instructions type as AI agent. After that, as soon as I have selected the instructions type, it will automatically generate the instructions here. Instructions defines how the AI should behave and how the AI assistant will give replies to your user. In simple terms, these are the rules that AI assistant needs to follow while giving the responses. You can make the changes in these rules if you want to. After that, the temperature controls the creativity level of AI assistant, as lower temperature gives stable and accurate values, while higher temperature gives creative and more flexible responses. Here I am setting up the temperature as 0.5. After that, the model provider that I am selecting as OpenAI. Next, the model I am selecting as GPT-4o Mini. It will provide you multiple types of GPT models. In the next field, it asks you to enter the API key. So for getting this API key, I am going to take you to my OpenAI platform. See, this is my OpenAI platform. Now for generating this API key, you have to click on this plus create new secret key button. After that, the name is an optional. You can give it if you want to. Next, the project I am selecting as default project and the permission I am setting as all. Next, I will click on this create secret key button and see, I got my API key. Here, I want you to know that for generating this API key, your OpenAI account is need to be paid. After that, I am copying this API key from here and pasting it in this field. After pasting the API key, you have to click on this connect button and see it says that OpenAI key saved successfully. Moving forward are the assistant settings with some options, where the first one is the header message. The header message is the message that sends to the user at the starting of the conversation. It is usually used for sending welcome messages or short introduction. So if you want to add any header message, then you can enable this toggle and enter in this field. After that, the footer message. The footer message is the message that sends to the user at the end of the conversation. It is used for sending thank you messages or short introduction. After that, the stop keywords. The stop keywords are those words that stop the AI assistant. For example, here I have entered the stop keyword as stop. After that, I am pressing the enter so that it will add it, and the user will send this keyword to the AI assistant while communicating. Then the AI assistant will become stop, and on that point, human inputs is required to restart the conversation. So this is how stop keywords work. Moving forward, the retry attempts. Retry attempts define as how many times your AI assistant will retry to give replies to your user if something goes wrong. You can increase the retry attempt till 10. And the last one is fallback message. The fallback message is the message that sends to the user if AI assistant fails to reply due to some technical error such as API key problem or an connection issue. Here I have entered the fallback message is this, but you can customize it completely based on your business or the company. Now I am moving forward to the next one, that is knowledge source, where you have to upload the knowledge base file. See, this is the most important and the crucial part of doing the setup of AI assistant. Here you have to upload the knowledge base file. Now what is knowledge base? So knowledge base is the information bank for AI assistant. With knowledge base, AI assistant gives business specific and accurate replies, but without knowledge base, AI assistant gives general responses. So it plays very important role. As in this video, we are going to build an AI assistant for hotel bookings. So for that, I have already designed one knowledge base file. See, this is the knowledge base file for this Grand Stay Residency. Here I have taken the business name as a test example, and I designed this knowledge base file by my choice. You can customize it completely based on your own business. I entered all that information about my hotel in this knowledge base file. You also have to make sure that this knowledge base file include all the details related to your business. I also added some general FAQs too. So this is how the knowledge base file look like. After designing the knowledge base file, you have to click on this files option. After that, download this file in a PDF format. Until the file gets downloaded, I want you to know that the file size should be less than 90 MB and the accepted formats are .txt or .pdf. There is no page limit for text PDF, but if the PDF has images, then it is limited to 10 pages. Now for uploading a knowledge base file, you have to click on this option. After that, click on this add new file and just simply drag and and drop this file here. After that, click on this upload file, and this is how easily you can upload a knowledge base file inside your Pabbly Chatflow account. See, the file is uploaded. After that, I am selecting it and clicking on this insert button, and you will see it says that file uploaded and processed successfully. Now I am moving forward to the assistant interface. Here you can design your AI assistant by making changes in each of these fields. Where at first I am entering the heading as AI assistant for hotels, and you can see that as soon as I have entered the heading here, it will automatically change here too. The subheading I entered as we are online and happy to assist you. You can change it if you want to. After that, the initial message, here I have added the initial message as hi there, how can I help you today, and I added only one initial message, but you can add two. Now the label, that is powered by Pabbly, you can disable it from here if you want to. The footer text I entered as privacy policy, also added footer link, and the user first message I have entered as I need help. You can replace it from any of the text message by your choice. Now I am moving forward to the next one, that is styling. Here you can give style to your assistant by making changes in its themes, colors and shape. As it is looking good, so I'm not changing it, but you can customize it from here if you want to. So this is the final look of the assistant that are going to visible in front of your user. After doing the setup, I am enabling this toggle so that my assistant will becomes active, and clicking on the save AI assistant button. See, it says that AI assistant saved successfully. So this is how easily you can do the setup of AI assistant by using Pabbly Chatflow. And the another button is embed. With the help of this button, you can access your AI assistant inside your websites or any other application. Once you click on this button, the system will give you the code of this AI assistant. You have to copy the code and paste that code inside your website, and this AI assistant is going to be appear in your websites too. So not only here, you can access your AI assistant anywhere. This is the magic of Pabbly Chatflow. Till now, if you like this setup, then go and purchase Pabbly by using my code MEHYT and get an exclusive discount on both yearly and lifetime Pabbly plans. Now, after doing the setup of AI assistant, I am going to set it for the contacts. So for that, I am clicking on the settings option and going in this inbox settings by opening it in a new tab. So see, this is the inbox settings of Pabbly Chatflow, where you have to scroll down and you will see one option by the name of AI auto reply settings. You have to make sure that to enable this toggle. After that, select the contact list from here. On warm, you have to set your AI assistant. Next, choose the AI assistant from here that I am selecting as get more bookings without ads using WhatsApp AI that we have designed recently. After that, I will click on the save button, and see, it says that inbox settings saved successfully. Here I have set this AI assistant for all contacts, but if you want to set it for any specific contacts, then we have also solution for that too. So for that, you have to go in this inbox feature. After that, select the contact. On warm, you have to set your AI assistant. Next, choose the assistant from here by enabling this toggle and select it from this drop down. After that, click on the save button, and this is how easily you can assign the assistant to any specific user. Now the setup of our AI assistant is completely completed. If you face any difficulties or you have any queries while doing the setup of this amazing WhatsApp AI assistant, then feel free to ask us in the comment section. And if you want me to create an AI assistant for your own specific business, then comment your business name below. I will create a tutorial on it too. This AI assistant will give instant replies to your users in real time like this. Solve queries 24/7 without you touching your phone. So what are you waiting for? Go and try this amazing feature of Pabbly Chatflow. Lastly, a quick reminder about the coupon code. Don't forget it while purchasing the Pabbly subscription and grab an exclusive offers. So this is all for today. I'll see you in the next video.
So thank you for watching this video. Not only this, you can create multiple types of WhatsApp chatbot with the help of Pabbly Chatflow. If you have any doubts, then you can email us at sales@pabbly.com. If you want to know the price details about Pabbly Chatflow, then you can visit www.pabbly.com/chatflow #pricing. If you like this video, then please give it a thumbs up and also subscribe our YouTube channel.